Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, let us journey together on how to write songs using Bing Chat. So, let us get started. Begin by opening your browser and heading over to bing.com. And remember, if you haven't logged in yet, it's a good idea to do so before we begin. Now, imagine this. You are feeling inspired to create a song that pays tribute to the legendary Michael Jackson. With Bing Chat as your musical collaborator, the creative process becomes a symphony of imagination and originality. Craft your request thoughtfully, allowing Bing Chat's musical prowess to shine. For example, you could ask, create a song that captures the essence of Michael Jackson's musical genius. The outcome? A lyrical masterpiece takes shape, blending rhythm and rhyme to honor Jackson's profound influence. While Bing Chat's musical creations might not match those of established artists, they offer a unique fusion of AI-driven inventiveness that can ignite your inspiration and capture your imagination. Thanks for tuning in. Now, let your creativity flow and explore the musical possibilities with Bing Chat. I hope this video helps you out and see you in the next video.